Hello, good morning, students. Myself Abhay. Now, today I am starting with your next farm implement, that is sprayers and their function. We will discuss about the various function of sprayers, how what are their main function, why we use sprayers, and what are their their components and how it works. In sprayers is a machine used to apply liquid chemicals. So what is spray? What are sprayers? Sprayers. This is a machine that is we used to apply liquid chemicals on plant. Chemicals like herbicides, fungicides, or you can say insecticides, any type of chemical that we use to spray it over a crop or a plant. So the machine we used to apply these chemicals, that machine is referred to as sprayer. So why we spray these chemicals? Just on plant to control pest and diseases. So you know very well, pest and disease both are unfavorable, and both are creating a destruction of plants or crop. So that's why, to control their attack, we use chemicals, and these chemicals are applied with the help of sprayer. So to control pest is a destructive insect or other animal that attacks crop, food, livestock, etc., and diseases like a disorder of structure or function of plant, especially one that produces specific signs or symptoms. So when we see there are some signs or symptoms that plant is suffering from specific disease, so that time we use chemicals, and these chemicals are applied with the help of sprayer. The It can also be used to apply herbicides. What are herbicides? A substance that is toxic to plants, used to destroy unwanted vegetation. So we also use sprayer to control weeds and to spray micronutrients to enhance plant growth. Not even to apply chemicals to control with pest, disease, or weeds. We can even use the sprayers machine for applying micronutrients. What are micronutrients? A chemical element or substance required in trace amounts for the normal growth and development of living organisms. So these micronutrients are also applied with the help of sprayer to enhance plant growth. The main function of a sprayer are breaking the chemical solution into fine droplets of effective size. So just you know, I think earlier you have studied in your lower classes about when we dissolve any solute into the solvent, they mix properly, and they make a solution. So before applying, first of all, we make us a proper solution. We just dissolve that chemical in particular amount or ratio within water. Then this amount of chemical is sufficient for to apply over the plant. in this solution, after making this solution, we put it into the tank of the sprayer and just apply it over the plants. So in this and these large molecules of or either in the solid form or in the crystal form of chemicals get dissolved into or get diffused into the water and become a small tiny fine droplets with help, and this sprayer make it easy to apply it over the plant. Distributing the droplet uniformly over the plant. So the second main function, it distribute जो हमारे पौधे पर है, हर पौधे को हर एक कोने कोने को ये मिलती हैं, ठीक है, हर एक कोने को ये मिलेगी, जिससे क्या होगा, सारी जो स्प्रे है वो हमारी थॉरली सारी प्लांट के ऊपर सारे प्लांट के ऊपर चले जाएगी और उनको हर एक वो प्लांट पार्ट को मिल जाएगी. दैट यूनिफॉर्म मीन्स रिमेनिंग द सेम इन ऑल केसेस एंड एट ऑल टाइम्स, दैट इज़ अनचेंजिंग इन फॉर्म और करेक्टर. सो हर जगह एक जैसी सभी को मिलेगी और कहीं भी ये नहीं होगा, अनइक्वली नहीं डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगी. बेटा की है जी ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਪਰੇਅ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਨਾ, ਅਤੇ ਪਲਾਂਟ ਦੇ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਕੋਨੇ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਪਾਰਟ ਨੂੰ ਕੈਮੀਕਲ ਸਪਰੇਅ ਅਵੇਲੇਬਲ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. ਇੰਸਟੈਡ ਕਿ ਕਿਸੇ ਪਾਰਟ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਜੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਮਿਲੇ, ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ. ਸਪਰੇਅਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਯੂਨੀਫਾਰਮਲੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਚੀਜ਼ ਡਿਸਟਰੀਬਿਊਟ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. Then applying the chemicals with sufficient pressure for positive searching positive reaching the plant. ਸੋ ਜੋ ਕੈਮੀਕਲਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰੀਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਉਹ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਸਾਡੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਪਰੇਅਰ ਹੈ ਉਹਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ. ਜਿੰਨਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ, दूर तक ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਲਾਂਟ ਪਾਰਟ ਹੈ, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਟਾਲ ਪਲਾਂਟ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਡਵਾਰਫ ਪਲਾਂਟ ਹੈ ਐਜ਼ ਕੰਪੇਅਰ ਟੂ ਆਰ ਹਾਈਟ, ਅਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਜੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਐਡਜਸਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਇੱਕ ਪਰਟੀਕੂਲਰ ਟਾਰਗੇਟ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਤੱਕ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੈਮੀਕਲ ਨੂੰ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਰੈਗੂਲੇਟਿੰਗ ਦੀ ਅਮਾਊਂਟ ਆਫ ਲਿਕੁਇਡ ਅਪਲਾਈਡ ਔਨ ਪਲਾਂਟ ਟੂ ਅਵੋਇਡ ਐਕਸੈਸਿਵ ਐਪਲੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ. ਸੋ ਈਵਨ these sprayers are helpful to regulating the liquid, or you can say regulate this solution of the chemical to solution of the chemicals from excessive application, avoid it to avoid excessive application of this chemical solution. Then desirable, ਬੇਟਾ ਪਿਛਲਾ ਸਮਝ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਰਟੀਕੂਲਰ ਇੱਕ ਟਾਰਗੇਟਡ ਇੱਕ ਸਟੈਂਡਰਡ ਅਮਾਊਂਟ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਲਾਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਣੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. ਜੇਕਰ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਦੇਵਾਂਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ, ਪਲਾਂਟ ਲਈ ਹਾਰਮਫੁਲ ਹੋਏਗੀ. ਸਪਰੇਅਰ ਕੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੀ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਕੰਪੋਨੈਂਟਸ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਨੋਜ਼ਲ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਓਪਨਿੰਗ ਹੈ, ਮਾਊਥ ਓਪਨਿੰਗ ਹੈ, ਪੋਰ ਸਾਈਜ਼ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਐਡਜਸਟ ਕਰ ਲਈਦਾ ਕਿ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਅਮਾਊਂਟ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਉਨੀ ਅਮਾਊਂਟ ਦਾ ਹੀ ਉਨੀ ਛੋਟੀ ਜਾਂ ਵੱਡੀ ਡਰੋਪਲੈਟ ਹੀ ਬਾਹਰ ਨਿਕਲੇ ਅੰਦਰ, ਅਤੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕੈਮੀਕਲ ਦੀ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਨ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕੈਮੀਕਲ ਨਾਲ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਹੋ ਜੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਰੇ, ਰੋਕੀ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅਵੋਇਡ ਕਰੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕੈਮੀਕਲ ਨੂੰ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਹੋਣ ਤੋਂ. ਡਿਜ਼ਾਇਰੇਬਲ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀ ਆਫ ਅ ਸਪਰੇਅਰ. ਬੇਟਾ ਗੁੱਡ ਸਪਰੇਅਰ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਪੋਸੈਸਿਸ ਦ ਫੋਲੋਇੰਗ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀਜ਼. ਸਪਰੇਅਰ ਦੀਆਂ ਕੀ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀਜ਼ ਹੋਣੀਆਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੀਆਂ, ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਬੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਸਟੈਡੀ ਸਟਰੀਮ ਆਫ ਸਪਰੇ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ in desired droplet size so that the plant is to be treated may be covered uniformly. ਬੇਟਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਟੈਡੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਕੌਨਸਟੈਂਟ ਸਪੀਡ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਪਰੇ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਉਹਦੀ ਕੌਨਸਟੈਂਟ ਲੇਅਰ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ, ਕੌਨਸਟੈਂਟ ਸਪੀਡ ਦੀ ਲੇਅਰ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ, ਔਰ ਇੱਕ ਸਟੈਂਡਰਡ ਡਰੋਪਲੇਟ ਸਾਈਜ਼ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ठीक है। तो ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਪਲਾਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਯੂਨੀਫਾਰਮਲੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਿਆ ਕਿ ਰਿਮੇਨਿੰਗ ਦੀ ਸੇਮ ਇਨ ਆਲ ਪਾਰਟਸ ਐਟ ਆਲ ਟਾਈਮ, ठीक है, यूनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाए। इट शुड बी डिलीवर सेकेंड, इट शुड बी डिलीवर द लिक्विड at sufficient pressure so that the spray solution reaches all the foliage. But what is foliage? It is called as the plant leaves collectively. When we talk about foliage, that is we are talking about plant leaves. So all leaves are coming under foliage. So the spray solution reaches all the foliage and spread uniformly over the plant body. ਔਰ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਔਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਿ ਸੋਲਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਡਾ ਸਪਰੇ ਆਊਟ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਔਰ ਉਹ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਪਲਾਂਟ ਪਾਰਟ ਨੂੰ ਯੂਨੀਫਾਰਮਲੀ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਏਗਾ। Third characteristics point is the quality of a sprayer is the it should be light in weight yet sufficiently strong, easily workable and repairable। ठीक है बेटा, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਸਪਰੇਅਰ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਲਾਈਟ ਇਨ ਵੇਟ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਔਰ ਉਹਦੀ ਬਾਡੀ ਸਟਰੋਂਗ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ, ਦੇਰ ਇਜ਼ ਨੋ ਐਨੀ ਲੀਕੇਜ ਵਿਦ ਇਨ ਦਾ ਕੰਟੇਨਰ, ਔਰ ਉਹਦੀ ਵਰਕਿੰਗ ਸਮੂਥ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ, ਦੇਰ ਇਜ਼ ਨੋ ਐਨੀ restriction or you can say obstacle within the working parts, and it should be repairable. So if any type of damage or any type of obstacle you are facing while operating this sprayer, so it should be repairable so that we can use it again and again. So here you can see different sprayers at glance hand held sprayer. This is just you can see the bottom of the sprayer is a tank, and in the upper part there is a nozzle, and behind the nozzle there is a spring button with the help you that making easy to do the spray uniformly. Nozzle pump of hand held sprayer, second nozzle. Then there is the backpack sprayer that you can hold it over your back with the help of straps. Snap sack hand sprayer, then stainless steel brass sack sprayers made up of stainless steel or brass. Then stirrup sprayer. Then next is rocker sprayer, hand compression sprayer, pedal operated sprayer, pump. Snap sack power sprayer, then snap sack power sprayer cum duster, high power pump for sprayers. Then this next is that trailer sprayer with cylinder supply poly tank. Here there is 300 gallon mounted sprayer, tractor mounted field sprayer, then trailers type orchard sprayers. So these are the different type of sprayer as per the requirement according to the crop or according to the field. So many sprayers, if you want to spray small plants you can use hand, even you can your small length plants you can use these backpack sprayers. So even you need to spray your orchard, one is the trailer or type orchard sprayer. So there are different type of sprayers as per the requirement, what type of requirement you need according to that type of spray you can use. Then there are basic component of sprayer. Basic component of sprayer are as follow, like first is pump. It is the main device used to move fluid. With the help of fluid, this liquid or slurries or gases are pump out from one place to another. Second, the pressure relief valve or bypass valve is required to protect these positive acting pumps from damage. And when the discharge line is closed, and for the convenience of the operator, so there must be a valve in the pump. If valve is open, then only you can do the sprayer, otherwise at the time of there is no need to just close the valve. Second component is the tank is the container to hold the chemical solution. This is the main container in which you put your chemical to apply it over the plants and then to keep the content homogeneous condition. Then next is the tank. After tank, then there is a agitator is just to stirrer means just to rotate or just to mix anything properly. Stirrer मतलब मदानी ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਲੀ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੈਮੀਕਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਲੀ ਡਿਜ਼ੋਲਵ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਵਾਟਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, then that chemical is uniformly distributed or dissolve within the solvent, that is within the water. Then air chamber just it is the reciprocating type pump in which the air is provided on the discharge line of the pump to level out the pulsation of the pump and thus providing a constant nozzle pressure. In the air chamber, air is just applied just to level out pulsation, that to make a proper pressure at the time of application. Pressure gauge, it is just a dial gauge which indicate the pressure at which the liquid is delivered from the pump. Pressure gauge is just a meter showing the pressure, that is pressure, it is the force into area, and physics you have done. So it is always calculated in the form how much pressure is required. If a high pressure is required, then you can change pressure accordingly as per the situation. This gauge is helping to adjust the pressure of the liquid. Then pressure regulator just to regulate or just to manipulate high or low accordingly to adjust the pressure, and this pressure or the range of the pressure in the pump, and then this serves a safety device in automatically unloading the excess pressure by directing the unused discharge flow from the pump back to the tank. So it just make the overall reaction or overall work or overall application of the chemical balanced. Then valves, very well, these are the gates, you can say. The opening and closing of valves is the main part of the sprayers. So these valves are of three type. Cut-off valve, this is provided in the delivery lines just to control the flow from the pump. Bypass valve is provided also in the delivery line just to bypass the flow from pump to tank, and when flow in delivery line is reduced, then the pump the capacity. So this valve is just make the balance between the flow that is within the delivery line and the tank. Relief valve, it is the automatic device to control the pressure of the fluid or gas within the range a predetermined pressure. Then next is the stainer ਬੇਟਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਾਲੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਫਿਲਟਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਫਾਈਨ ਪਾਰਟੀਕਲ ਜੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਸਪਰੇ ਦੇ ਟਾਈਮ 'ਤੇ, ਬਾਕੀ ਜੀ ਕੋਈ ਸੋਲਿਡ ਹੈ ਹਾਈ ਲਾਰਜ ਸਾਈਜ਼ ਦਾ ਪਾਰਟੀਕਲ ਉਹ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਲੈ ਜਾਏਗਾ। ਦੈਨ ਨੋਜ਼ਲਸ ਨੇ ਨੋਜ਼ਲਸ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਸਪਰੇ ਫਰੰਟ 'ਤੇ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਥਰੂ ਸਪਰੇ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਸਪਰੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੋਜ਼ਲ ਦਾ ਮੇਨ ਕੰਮ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜਸਟ ਟੂ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਦੀ ਫਲੂਇਡ ਇਨਟੂ ਫਾਈਨ ਡ੍ਰੌਪਲੇਟਸ then spray gun it is mainly present in the handheld sprayers or this handheld metallic made up of PVC pipe to one end and the which the nozzle is fitted and flow cut off wall or then the wall present between this spray gun and the tank is a cut off wall present and the handle are fitted at the other end. This gun this gun sprayer just apply are used with low power sprayer like snap stack sprayers and rocket sprayers. Spray boom means that it is the long metallic or PVC pipe to which several nozzles are fitted with the delivery hose is connected to the spray gun. ठीक है सो जो डिलीवरी हो मतलब ये सिंगल पाइप इज डिवाइडेड इनटू फर्दर number of openings. These openings are called spray booms and just in this type of spray booms are attached or sprayers are operated with the help of tractor or with power tiller or operated sprayer. Overflow pipe it is the conduit pipe through which excess fluid from the pump is bypassed into chemical tank by the action of relief valve or pressure regulators. Then component of nozzle having a nozzle body, it is the main component which encloses all other component of the nozzle. Swirl plate, this is a metallic disc which is rotate liquid passing through it. Then nozzle disc it is the component which break the fluid into fine droplets. Stainer, that is again it is a metallic mesh which just filter out the dust particle. Then spacer, there are two number of runners and plastic rings placed between the nozzle plate and the swirl plate and between swirl plate and the stainer for effective travel of the solution. Type of sprayer, there are three types. High volume sprayers that they having capacity of 400 liter per hectare. Low volume sprayer having 5 to 400 liter hectare. Then ultra low volume sprayer ULV spray is less than 5 liter per hectare. The selection technique depending upon the type of vegetation and kind of pest and the approach to the field. Ultra spray, we first discuss ultra low sprayers. These are just used to spray chemicals on row crops like cotton, coffee and this and all, like hand atomizers. You can see here the picture. There are this picture is showing different parts. There are knob, cap, air pump, cut off lever, nozzle, tank, discharge tube, bucket, lower end of plugger rod, upper plate, leather cup, low plate, nut, air check, wall assembly, air check, wall spring, wall cap, plunger rod, pump barrel, filler hole, handles. So all these are showing in this. Then hand compressor sprayers are you can see in this picture a person is applying fertilize micronutrients or chemicals over the crop with the help of hand compressor sprayer. Then salient features, you can see useful to develop high pressure, light in weight, high work rate and economically robust and simple to maintain, both left and right hand operation, having capacity 10 to 15 liters, easy to spray chemicals. Then rock sprayer, then there are different sprayers, then power sprayers, then dusters. So all these no need to Then power sprayers, these are the heavy duty and efficient sprayers. It contains a triplex pump with stainless steel piston with oil bath lubrication. पिस्टन जो होगा उसमें ऑयल होगा, प्रॉपर्ली पिस्टन वर्क करेंगे और बहुत हाई स्पीड की स्प्रेयर होगी जो बहुत दूर तक जाएगी। ठीक है, इट कैन डेवलप 250 to 350 पॉन्ड्स प्रेशर एंड कैन डिलीवर अ सोल्यूशन अप टू 15 मीटर, 15 मीटर तक बेटा इनकी स्प्रे हो सकती है। ਇਹਦਾ ਹਾਈ ਪਾਵਰਡ ਇੰਜਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਮੋਟਰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, 4 to 6 स्प्रे lenses ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਐਟ ਦ time using the sprayer. There are sprayers that can be operated by tractor PTO as well as by the power tiller. This is all about the different types of sprayers. Thank you so much.